Former Connecticut Governor John Rowland sentenced to prison for a second time in a decade. Good evening, everybody. I'm Keith Kuntz.
I'm Ann Nyberg. Rowland was convicted of breaking campaign financing laws last fall by trying to hide his role in two congressional races. News 8 chief political correspondent Mark Davis was in the courtroom for the sentencing. He joins us live tonight from New Haven. Mark, how long could Rowland be in prison?
Good evening, Ann and Keith. Good evening, everyone from the New Haven newsroom tonight. The sentence is for 30 months, but with good behavior, he could be out in 25. That's about 2 years. But he must serve 85% of the sentence.
We are very much looking forward to appealing this case.
Those words from Rowland's defense attorney just moments before he left New Haven federal court after being sentenced to 2.5 years and 3 years of supervised release for his conviction of conspiracy to defraud and violate the federal election law, soliciting and accepting under-the-table payments for consulting two failed congressional campaigns.
We think we have a brimful of interesting, important, and compelling legal issues, and we are optimistic that this miscarriage of justice will be overturned.
Rowland's lawyer, famed Washington attorney Reed Weingarten, telling the judge today that this case never would have been prosecuted in another jurisdiction and that prosecutors made a mountain out of a molehill.
All this hullabaloo, I believe, is for one reason only, and that is the involvement of John Rowland.
Rowland, who came to court today with his wife, the former First Lady Patty, and his youngest daughter Julianne, did not speak in court today, never offering an apology as he had done 10 years ago when he took a plea bargain for corruption while in office following his impeachment by the legislature.
He's taking it, as John Rowland always does, with composure and optimistic outlook.
But federal prosecutors, in arguing for a 30-plus month sentence, said Rowland's light sentence the last time, he served less than a year, was not enough to get him on the straight and narrow, and that maybe a much longer sentence this time will help him get the message.
Now, the judge is allowing Rowland to voluntarily surrender on June 16 so that he can attend the wedding of another daughter. The judge also left the door open for Rowland to remain free on bond pending his appeal to the Federal Circuit Court in New York. Live from the New Haven newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.